So, so I've done a video showing that I didn't believe that Ka-Okee was real, and so I've actually talked to William Night Owl Deo on through email about this, and he actually replied to me, and I talked to the author of this book, and she also responded about the same thing. So she just came out with this book called Anne of the Potawatomi, and this actually goes over descendants of the fame of fabled Ka-Okee, right? And this came out in December, so it's very recent. Case study part 1. And she runs a YouTube channel called Ancestral Spotlight. Please check it out. She does a lot of great research. She is a genealogist, compiled by her, and she actually goes over the DNA and proves through DNA that that Henry Meese has a true lineage, that he was real. And she just goes through the whole Rolf Bowlings and Ka-Okee lineage through DNA, which is really interesting. So please check this out. Little known. She's a YouTube content creator. Spotlight. And I mean, she has, she earned a certificate in DNA and genetic genealogy from the International Institute of Genealogical Studies. And this book is on Amazon right now, and she shows stuff like this for base tester William Deo, Red Bowling, so a descendant of Matoaka, aka Pocahontas. And she goes through a lot of the DNA and actual primary source records. And she's basically trying to prove that Ka-Okee married Thomas Pettis to William John Redmond. So she tries to prove all of this, and she does a very good job. I mean, proving the argument of William Night Owl Deo. The book delves into Anne's relationships. So to help you understand, Anne of the Potawatomi would be, this is a daughter of Ka-Okee and Thomas Pettis. So these two. So Ka-Okee and Thomas Pettis were the parents of Anne of the Potawatomi. Now you have to remember, this isn't through primary source records necessarily. This is through oral history. So in indigenous culture, oral history is the same as primary source records, because that's just a cultural difference. So through oral history and tradition, that is how they have kept things. So that's what you have to go by. So, but it's really interesting stuff. It made me a complete believer. So if you happen to descend from Anne of the Potawatomi or Ka-Okee, and both of them confirmed after I sent them documents that I actually do descend from Ka-Okee. So I myself, you don't have to believe that if you don't want to. That is your prerogative. But I am definitely, from Bill Deo and this author, they have both confirmed through email that I am a descendant of Thomas Pettis and Ka-Okee. So I am a double descendant of King Powhatan, and who was the father of Pocahontas. So I'm a descendant of Ka-Okee, Pocahontas, and Pocahontas' sister. So really interesting stuff too. So please check out this book. Again, I think you'll be really interested in it.